Are you looking for the best resin 3D printers? In this video, we will look at some of the best resin 3D printers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 LCD UV Resin 3D Printer. Photon Mono 4 boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to Mono 2. With a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axes. This enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. The time-tested ANYCUBIC Light Turbo Matrix light source technology delivers stable, balanced, and uniform lighting to reduce layer lines and rasterization, creating models with ultra-smooth surface and maximum print details. With a generous maximum build volume of 6.04 foot x 3.42 x 6.49 / 153.4 mm x 87 mm x 165 mm, you have ample print space to easily tackle your daily tasks and demanding projects. With a new design, the laser engraving platform of the Photon Mono 4 improves adhesion to mitigate lifting and warping of the model during 3D printing, while keeping the removal process simple and smooth. The 4-point leveling method is ideal for beginners. After the first leveling and tightening the 4 screws, no need to repeat leveling. Photon Mono 4 can resume printing when power is restored, effectively reducing material and time wastage. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono 4 Ultra 7-inch LCD 3D Printer. The Mono 4 Ultra boasts an impressive 105% increase in print precision compared to its predecessor. A 7-inch 10K screen with a resolution of 9024 by 5120, each pixel measures a mere 17 by 17 micrometers on the X and Y axes. 0.02 mm layer height to minimize layer lines. Using 8 mm diameter T-type screw rod and precision guide rails, this enhanced capability allows for creating models with exceptional detail and dynamic richness. With the light uniformity algorithm, each device undergoes rigorous screen energy calibration. The light uniform rate reaches greater than or equal to 90%. The algorithms adjust energy points outside the dynamic range, precisely controlling curing light energy. This reduces dimensional errors in each printed layer, ensuring consistent printing. Mono 4 Ultra uses advanced COB light source integrated with Fresnel lens, after precise optical adjustment, to achieve uniform purple light irradiation within a small angle of 3, ensuring no stray light interference on the 7-inch 10K black and white screen. Combining the 10K 9024-5120px high-resolution screen, Mono 4 Ultra controls the model tolerance within the range of 0.01 to 0.05 mm, making even the slightest differences clearly visible, ensuring that every detail of the model is accurately carved. Number 3. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max 7K Mono LCD 3D Printer. ANYCUBIC Photon Mono M7 Max offers a spacious printing size of 298 mm x 164 mm x 300 mm, allowing for the creation of full-size masks, intricate game terrains, detailed cosplay props, and various models without the hassle of cutting and assembling. Light Turbo 3.0 combines a COB light source and Fresnel lens, and factory calibrate technology can reach the light angle within 3 degrees, and light uniformity is more than 90%. With the anti-aliasing feature activated and paired with high-precision positioning lead screws, it effectively minimizes layer lines and aliasing to achieve a higher level of precision. The Photon Mono M7 reaches a maximum speed of 60 mm per hour thanks to Intelligent Release 2.0. A 200% speed increase comparing to the previous M3 Max printer. In addition, the flip-open cover design apports one-hand opening and hovering angles anywhere greater than 45 degrees that can save time and space. Dynamic temperature control resin vat will adjust the temperature of the resin material to maintain the optimal print temperature at all times for print success. And Resin autofill feature allows for automatic filling and one-key recycling of remaining resin. Release film uses integrated design for easier replacement. After printing is completed, the model can be suspended above the platform with a small angle, allowing the resin to flow back into the resin vat. And a bigger resin vat with 1,300 milliliters volume for large models. Number 4. ANYCUBIC Wash and Cure 3D Printer. The machine has dual functions of cleaning and curing. It makes it easier to clean and cure the printed model. It is an excellent assistant for UV LCD 3D printers. A dual-purpose machine to save more space and keep the working area clean. One-piece molding hood, 99.95% blocking rate of 405 nanometers wavelength UV light. The resin cleaning and curing station adopts sealed cleaning, which effectively prevents the cleaning agent from splashing and volatilization and provides more security. Lamp beads add lenses. The light source intensity distribution is more uniform, and the surface of the model is smoother. With the 360 degrees automatic rotating curing table, the bottom reflector is added. The bottom curing has no dead corners, so that the entire model is cured more thoroughly. 1 to 60-minute time adjustable, knob custom cleaning and curing time. Each layer of the 3D printer model can be better cleaned and cured according to your DIY needs. After cleaning and curing the model, the performance is significantly improved, helping you create a perfect model.